Natural gas has given a gap down opening today. It has come towards 2.7 levels. Now, can we expect any rise in net gas, or it is just going to go towards more crash towards 2.48 or 2.5 or 2.4 levels? We will see with the help of charts and indicators which position you should take trading net gas today. Do like, share, subscribe, and comment. If you're new to the channel, do subscribe to the channel to get the more latest updates on major global markets and commodities. Let's start first to look into on the hourly charts. If you look at see 2.7 levels, certainly proving out to be a support levels, but lower highs is getting created and lower lows. So I will watch out for how it behaves at around 2.7 and 2.68 zone. Yes, this is the support zone. This red line is the channel in which gas is trading, taking the support. So 2.68 you should watch out for. Probably also on the upside, see there are greater resistances. Even if it tries to bounce back, 2.8 2.85 zone is a greater resistance. Also there is a gap which needs to be filled here. Thus, if you see the price is staying beyond 2.72, that is the lower levels above 2.72, one can initiate a buying position. We can look forward to 2.74, 2.76. Now 2.76 is a major resistance, and we have seen that while it was on a rise earlier. I will show you on the daily charts. 2.76 it needs to break past by in order to confirm further reversal. Stochastic is extremely oversold, trying to rise from here. MACD is bearish, divergent. It has to converge a bit, but it is not showing any signs. RSI as bottom. Coming to two. Likewise on the 2 hour charts, yes, 2.68 levels you should watch out for. On the downside, below that it is bearish. Above 2.72 we can say a reversal, but then 2.76 it needs to break past by in order to confirm rise for 2.8 and 2.85 levels. Also, if you notice this, it is almost at the bottom of the channel. From here, even if it tries to rise, 2.85 levels should be the great resistance here. Stochastic oversold, MACD divergent and bearish, RSI almost sitting flat and near to bottom. Coming to 3 hour charts, what has happened here on the 3 hour charts? See lower highs, almost flat bottom, failing to stay below 2.7. Now, also these two are outside Bollinger Bands, and hence a little pullback cannot be denied. A little pullback means it has to stay above 2.72 for further confirmation of bullishness. Now see these candles here, 2.76, very strong support it was. It has breached, it has given a gap down, thus it can try to move towards 2.76, but it is only about 2.76. We can say that the bulls will try to take it further up. Then the next major hurdle is 2.8 and then 2.85 levels. Yes, these are greater resistances. Right now it is not showing any signs of reversal and it is still looking downwards. Look at the stochastic. This has come to extreme oversold levels. For net gas in the recent past, we have seen whenever it hits the bottom, it tries to recover a little. Look at the MACD is trading with divergence and bearishness, looking downwards. RSI is at bottom. Coming to 4 hour chart. On the 4 hour charts, likewise lower highs are there. The candle has started in red. It is trying to look downwards. It can create lower lows, or in fact it can breach the lows. It can move towards 2.68 levels. Now 2.68 is the level on the downside which we should look at. But since it is trading outside Bollinger Band, the chances for a recovery is still there. I will definitely watch out for if it stays above 2.72. Right now the movement is very minuscule. What it is trying to do, it is trying to wait for the moving average to come down towards 2.7576, then climb towards those levels. Stochastic is oversold. MACD has crossed over here for a sell, but it is still trading in a very narrow zone. RSI is also sitting at bottom. Coming to now, before we study the details of the daily charts, if you want to learn this art of trading, you should join my mentorship batch. 28 batches announced. You can be part of it. Reach out to me for more details. Equip yourself with the tools, techniques, and strategies specifically curated for the traders like you so that you can benefit the max. Reach out to me via Telegram or email for more details. Also, you can be part of my Signals channel or webinar series. Again, contact me for details. Else, visit the platform www.forexfunda.com, the greatest platform for all the traders created by trader like me. And this is my own platform. Here you will find the details related to the mentorship batch through the webinar. You will find the top stories and trending stories from across the globe here on the front page itself. You can, and most of you have asked where you can get the economic calendar, the data releases from across the globe, which definitely has an impact on the markets. You will find it here in the economic calendar section. You can also visit the markets and you can search for your favorite instruments. Anything which is getting traded across the globe is available here. You can do the charting, you can do the analysis, and if you need any consultation or guidance, you can schedule a call with me and other experts. And yes, there is a discussion forum. Thus, visit the platform www.forexfunda.com. All the links are mentioned in the channel and video. Join my free Telegram channel to get the live updates. Now look at the daily chart. See, lower highs were seen, lower lows were seen, then this gap, and it has started to trade bearish. Yes, there is one probability that it can fill the gap, it can rise towards this zone, create lower highs, and again stay bearish. Now, also one must note, I will show you something here. See, 2.7576 you can find out here. It is indeed a greater resistance, and see this greater resistance here at 2.76. Now thus it has to stay above 2.76 for the further rise, and then above 2.84 for a confirmation of reversal. This zone between 2.76 and 85 is going to remain a greater hurdle for net gas on the upside, though one can initiate a buying position here at 2.72 levels. Yes, if you see gas is staying above 2.72, we can initiate a buying position, expect 2.7576 as the first target, and beyond that it should completely reverse towards 2.8, 2.85 levels. On the downside, I will recommend you to sell here at 2.68. See, stochastic here is oversold. MACD is also trading with extreme bearishness, and RSI is also at bottom. So I will recommend you to sell here only at 2.68 levels, because that is the level below which we can expect little more bearishness, and we can look forward to 2.65 levels as the next target. 2.65, 2.6 3 levels as the next target, and below 2.6563 is where the bears will be taking over. Now see, it is now very closer to the bottom of the channel at 2.4. 2.4, 2.5, these are the two levels which should be watchful of, careful of, aware of. We have to be extremely watchful of these levels, as what is happening right now is after the drop it is retest and it is looking at the bottom, possibly we can bounce back. So yes, right now it is trying to trade bearish, but the bearishness is certainly going to exhaust soon. That is my expectation. However, no signs as of now. Yes, if it stays first above 2.8885 zone and then above 3.1 zone, we can say that prices are reversing. Else, it is still trading in the bearish territory. So take your positions accordingly. For the day, you can sell at 2.68 and buy at 2.72. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. See you again with more updates. Do like, share, subscribe, and join my mentorship batch or signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your queries. You can be part of my webinar as well. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Visit all the platforms, the forexfunda.com, join my free Telegram channel, and contact me for any of your queries. Thank you.